Prince Capital welcomes you all for a profitable journey with us. Alpha Charts. Alpha Charts are an intelligent chart where it comes with an accurate entry and exit markings. You don't have this kind of chart anywhere in the world with this accuracy. Alpha Charts are available for all segments like Nifty 50 stocks, FNO, MCX, currencies, Forex and cryptocurrencies. Before we begin our demonstration, let's discuss something about intraday trading. In the market, out of 100 only 7% are the intraday participants. When we talk about intraday trades, entry and exit points are very crucial, because those are the points that decides your profits. Do you know which indicator is commonly used by most of the intraday traders in the market? It's none other than the moving average. What is a moving average? Someone has bought a stock at a very lower price or someone has sold the stock at a very high price, where the market was not ready to cross those levels are the sweet points. So, moving averages are somewhere in middle of this price point, or between this sweet point. But, actually the best price to buy or sell is somewhere down or up on our traditional chart. And we are actually trying our trades from the moving average, expecting our prices to go up or down. Surprisingly, using this moving averages we are actually helping those sweet point buyers and sellers to achieve their targets faster when price crossovers the moving average on our traditional charts, and we name them as momentum. Secondly, most of us are actually trying to find their entry and exit points using a very recent or a historic events, like high, low. And some of us trying their entry and exit points by finding their favorites chart patterns like W, M, head and shoulders, triangles, flags, cup and handles, etc. To enter into a trade we use to wait for those famous patterns to form, and then we'll wait for the breakouts to happen from the chart patterns or from the high-low events. But to your surprise, alpha charts are fully capable to identify and mark those sweet points. And it is the master chart for all patterns. We do not need to wait for your favorites chart patterns to form, as those patterns are going to fall between our alpha chart markings. And what is so special here is, those markings are available very well before the market starts. So, you don't need to want for the price to come to an average point, or you don't need to wait for the market to give your favorite patterns to find your entries and exits. You are actually going to be ahead of everyone with the help of this advanced level chart. Okay, now let's understand more about alpha charts and the best practice methods to be on a profitable side. Alpha chart will have multiple parallel lines, like what you see on this screen. When we take a parallel line from the chart, buyers will get in on the first line, and sellers will get in on the second line. So, when the price crosses above the first line, we can try a buy bet. And, your target will be on the first line of the above parallel line. If the prices starts coming down after your buy, you can always wait till the price is crossing down on the immediate second line from the same parallel line. Your second line on the parallel line is your stop loss. Similarly, when the price crosses below the second line of a parallel line, you can try your sell bet. And, your target will be on the first line of the below parallel line. If the price starts going up after you sell, you can always wait till the price crossing above the immediate first line from the same parallel line. Your first line on the parallel line is your stop loss. Now, let's take a look how to access the Alpha Chart page. Alpha Charts are available through web. You don't need to download and install any software for it. Open up your browser, type www.princecapital.co.in. Navigate to More option on our website, and click on to Alpha Chart Login. Log into your account, and navigate to Dashboard and Browse option that will be available on the left-hand side of your screen with 4 square boxes. Then, you will be able to see the folders respectively for all segments. Currencies, equities, MCX, NFO. For option traders, if you click on to NFO folder, you will be able to see individual dashboards for Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, MCX, etc. Further, if you click on to any of the NFO dashboards, you will be able to see around 10 strike prices for each future. The first two CEPE charts that you see below the futures chart is what we recommend to trade. And the best practice is for equities and futures. If the price hits on stop loss, then don't trade further on that stock. As we witnessed, the stock or futures may not be in trend. When we talk about options, you can retry your trades even after hitting the stop loss. In case of any further clarifications, please keep in touch with us.